Today on Shipping Things, we're talking about a necessary factor in manufacturing. Overs and unders. What are they and why did they happen? If you're working with a manufacturing partner and they tell you that there will be overs or unders, it means that you're going to get a slightly different quantity than what you actually intended. Let's say you ordered 5,000 pieces. Well, if you have a bit of overs, you might actually get 5,100 or even 5,200 pieces. It's also similarly as likely that you might get a little bit less. Maybe you'll get 4,800. You're probably going to get something within a 5 or 10% variance of what you actually ordered. But why does this happen? It seems annoying or even arbitrary. Let's go behind the scenes and find out. So, you ordered 5,000 custom boxes, but your manufacturer is actually going to order custom material just for your job, and they're not going to only order 5,000 sheets. That'd be way too risky. They're going to overorder by about 10%, so they could actually make about 5,500 boxes if everything went perfectly. Now, these run on big equipment that run super fast. So part of the reason they have to overorder is because getting the machine set up properly takes some time and burns some material. So there's bound to be a bit of waste. Keep in mind that when a corrugator is running full speed, it can produce 50,000 lineal feet per hour. You get the point. That's crazy fast. The other reason that people need a lot of extra material is because of rejects. When you order 5,000 boxes, you want 5,000 perfect boxes. Bellissimo. So what you want is they're actually going to look throughout the run, check to make sure the print is looking perfect, and they're going to throw out those rejects. And that's why you end up, hopefully, with right around 5,000, which again is what you ordered. We talked about overs, now let's talk about unders. What you guys have to keep in mind is there's a couple reasons why you might end up with a little bit less than you actually ordered. We call that unders. And the manufacturer has a couple reasons it might happen. They might have run out of material, meaning a little bit too much was consumed in setup, or there's too many rejects, and they're gonna only give you the good units. The other reason is time. Manufacturers are on a tight schedule. So if your job is taking too long, they might cut it off so that they can stay on schedule at their facility. And that means you get how many they completed. Now, overs and unders happen in all kinds of manufacturing, not just boxes. And so how does that affect your pricing? What do you pay if the quantity is always fluctuating? I'll tell you. At Lumi, we just charge you based on what you actually receive. So if you get 5,205 boxes instead of 5,000, you're going to get billed for that extra 205 boxes you received. What if it goes the other way? If you actually get 4,805 boxes instead, you're going to get a refund for those missing units. You'll know if you have overs or unders after your production is completed and you get final production quantities. If you're really worried about unders because you have to have a certain amount, you can warn your manufacturing partner, but you could end up with even more overs because they might order extra material. Now, the long and short of overs and unders is it's really about quality control. They want to make sure that every time you receive an item, it is exactly perfect because no one wants a crazy paw print box in their box stack. It's crazy town.